The hands covered with clouds represents the handshake between you and the President of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. Your legacy of fairness and good governance towards a peaceful Kenya. On behalf of Kenyans, especially children like me, I would like to thank you so much, Baba, for fighting for our freedom and rights that we currently enjoy. Sir, I understand that when you are fighting for our freedom, you had been in and out of jail, and this is why there are chains in this painting. But sir, I pray that one day you receive the Nobel Peace Prize for bringing peace to our country, Kenya. Thank you so much, Baba, for bringing peace to our country, Kenya.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is very inspirational.
Thank you.
And it's great. I want to congratulate you for the efforts and for the vision that you have actually captured.